Hi there, my name is Jason Perkins. I'm a Georgia workers' compensation attorney, and I specialize in helping people who've been injured at work with their workers' compensation claims. Today I want to talk to you about a question I get from a lot of people. They're concerned that if they quit their job, they're going to lose their workers' compensation case. Well, I can tell you, you don't lose your workers' compensation case just because you quit your job. Your workers' compensation case in Georgia does not automatically end when you stop working for your employer. Your case can continue past then. You can continue getting medical treatment and having your employer or the workers' compensation insurance company pay for it, even though you no longer work for them. However, there are some things that you do need to be concerned about. If you quit your job with your employer, you may find it more difficult to get the weekly workers' compensation wage loss benefits, called temporary total or temporary partial disability benefits, after you quit. Now, why is that? It can be for a couple of reasons. One, if you're no longer working for your employer and you've just quit your job, in order to get the wage loss benefits, you're going to have to show that you weren't able to find work with another employer that could pay you what you made before. Also, the employer who you're working for is probably going to claim, when you go to fight for those benefits, that they have work available for you, and you simply stopped doing it, and it wasn't your injury that caused you to stop doing it. So before you quit, and many people consider quitting because they're just frustrated and unable to do the job that their employer has for them, you certainly need to consider whether you might be entitled to future wage loss benefits and what the difficulties would be with fighting for those benefits if you quit your job. Another reason you may find it difficult to get those benefits in the future is that your employer or the workers' compensation insurance company may argue that the reason that you need those wage loss benefits after you've quit your job is because you've hurt yourself doing something else, such as working in another job that you did. And you may find that you have to go to court to fight to get those benefits started, and while a judge is sorting out whether the current insurance company or your new employer's insurance company is responsible for paying you those benefits, you're not getting any benefits. That can be very difficult. In Georgia, it might take you 6 months to a year or longer before you get a decision from a judge. And if you're out of work and waiting to get those benefits, it can be very difficult to wait that long. I hope you found this information helpful today. If you have, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up on YouTube. If you have any questions or just want to talk to an attorney about your workers' compensation case, I'd be happy to set up a free consultation with you. You can do that by visiting our website, perkinslawtalk.com, or by calling me at the phone number that's on the bottom of the screen. Thanks for watching today.